The most popular running stitch and the lesser known half-back stitch look similar. But are they? Let us find out. Wait till the end to see what makes them so very different. I will use the same lengths of stitch lines and threads to stitch these two. Let us begin with a running stitch. A right-handed person would prefer to work this stitch from right to left or bottom to top, and vice versa for a left-handed person. This stitch is super easy and you need to just go in and out of the fabric in a forward motion. You can also do multiple stitches at a time using the sewing method. This is one of the most basic stitches and can be done even by a beginner. The half-back stitch is a variation of the back stitch, so you would go backwards for every forward motion. When you go through the fabric, you leave a small gap before the earlier stitch. This is what achieves the running stitch-like look. I found the running stitch to be easier to control than the back stitch. Also, though both of them look the same, I feel that the running stitch falls flatter on the fabric than the half-back stitch. This is the reverse. The running stitch looks much like how it looks in the front, and the half-back stitch is quite messy. Also, when I checked the amount of thread consumption, the running stitch had used way lesser than the half-back stitch. So why bother with the half-back stitch if the running stitch is easier and economical on time and thread? Let us find out. When I pull one end of the running stitch from the back, I see that the fabric gathers, which means this is a fantastic stitch for gathering fabric or for temporary stitching, or when you want to work on a relaxing hand embroidery. As for the half-back stitch, the thread does not pull at all, which means this is great for a stable and strong stitching. Let me show that once again. This is the running stitch. And this is the half-back stitch. So if you want a stitch that looks like the running stitch but is much stronger and one that holds fabrics better together, then go for the half-back stitch. Else, running stitch is just fine. I hope you have found this video helpful. Let me know if you have. Thank you for watching.